guys, so I'm gonna go for some DNB. Second snare, we're gonna do Complex Pro. Transpose it a bit like this. Bit of an AB there now, so I've got cool. This bit here, energy pocket. Try some bit of brakes. Get the frequency shifter, self-explanatory. What about Control and E, Command E, 2 times. Try texture. Cool. Layer up these snares. Pitch it. Just a bit of a subtle layer. Try an open hat. Ooh, quite nice. Reverse it. Pitch it down maybe. Bit of reverse cymbals is quite modern sounding. Cool, so I'll just group that for now. Label it drums. We're gonna do some mid-sub separations into the Serum 2. Open up this month's sounds and we're on June. Okay, so these sounds, there is 73 sounds available this month, guys. Only 12 quid or something. Link below if you want any of these. So I'm just gonna try find 808 and let's have a listen. Cool, so drop this one in, create an audio, grab a filter. I'm gonna use this kilohertz filter and we're gonna round it down because this is for the sub. And I like to use this track delay. And copy this, Alt and grab. Now we're on the Serum. We're going to change it to this mode. So this is for the mids. And we've been working a lot of these throaty noises this month. But let's give it a listen. And we've got the filter on, so it's just the mids, okay? Cool, so I've just used 2 notes for that main bass now, and that's the mids. If I label that mid, label that sub, and you can see we've got a lot of control and precision in this beat because of that separation. Command and G to make a group, mid group. I'm going to take that filter and put it on the mid group. Now another cool thing is the wider. This one's a free one, you can Google it. I'm going to stick the wider on it. But then the sub, I'm going to get the mono stock plugin. And we've created even more difference now. We've created the mono sub, boom, with the low sub energy, and then we've created the width with the throaty noise. Okay. Gonna go one step further, and on the width we're gonna go mid side and bring the ceiling down. Not on this one, sorry, on this mid group. And we're gonna toughen up. Toughen up the sides with the clipper. But one thing that both groups will need in common is the sidechain gate, so I'll find the kick. And then we can Alt and grab, put it on the sub as well. Turn the floor up. And turn the release down because I want it less effective than the sub, more so. double that up. We'll do it. So we've got 4 of them, and this energy pocket here, change it in this one. So the first thing, we can just copy. Could try do this, just delete a bit. Can go to the free sample pack, which is in the free members Patreon, and these are some of the sounds from this month's. These are this month's presets, but in sample form, free. Link below. Got more phase plants to do this month as well, but we can drag this in maybe, and then okay, let's have a listen. Put it down, so I want to slow it down, and then configure, touch the macro, press configure again, open up the automation. I'm going to use Portal, so grain sort of plugin. I'm going to use the OTT, and then I'm going to open it up here, stretch and smear. Open it up a bit. Use that.